Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, the place where we break down the tech that's changing the way we live, drive, and stay connected. Today, we're diving into something that could completely transform your old car into a smart driving machine. Meet the 8.1 wireless CarPlay screen, a portable touchscreen car stereo that packs in modern connectivity, powerful cameras, and voice control, all in a compact design that fits right on your dash. First things first, this device is designed to be as simple and hassle-free as possible. There's no need to rip out your car's dashboard or mess around with wiring. Just mount the screen to your dashboard or windshield, plug it into the cigarette lighter for power, and you're good to go. It works with all 12 to 24-volt vehicles, so whether you're driving a compact car, a van, or even a truck, you're covered. Now, let's talk about the screen itself. You get a crisp, responsive 8.1-inch touchscreen that acts as your gateway to a fully connected driving experience. It's compatible with both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, wirelessly. That means your phone connects in seconds, giving you instant access to navigation, music, calls, texts, and more. Siri and Google Assistant are both supported, so you can keep your eyes on the road and control everything with your voice. But this isn't just about smart features. This unit also acts as a complete dash cam and backup camera system. Up front, you're getting a 2K dash cam that records every detail with clarity. Around back, a 1080p reverse camera helps with safe parking and reversing. The cameras offer wide-angle views and night vision, and there's even a built-in G sensor that automatically locks footage if it detects an impact. That means your most important moments are protected, even with loop recording enabled. One of the features I really appreciated was the split-screen GPS navigation. You can use Google Maps or Apple Maps on one half of the screen while still keeping other functions visible. If you're constantly checking directions while also changing your music or taking calls, this is a real game changer. For audio, there are a couple of options. You can use the built-in speaker on the unit, but the better choice is to transmit audio directly to your car's speakers via the FM transmitter or the aux out. Bluetooth is also supported for hands-free calls and streaming music, and from my test, the connection is stable and the sound quality is surprisingly good, no annoying dropouts or distortion. As for the build quality, the device feels solid. It's light enough to mount easily, but not so cheap that it feels like it'll fall apart. The UI is intuitive, and switching between functions, whether it's recording video, using CarPlay, or adjusting your settings, is smooth and lag-free. And here's the part that really seals the deal: lifetime technical support. On top of that, you get a 30-day money-back guarantee and a 12-month replacement warranty. That kind of backing gives a lot of confidence, especially for a tech gadget in this price range. To sum it all up, this 8.1 wireless CarPlay screen is a compact, feature-packed upgrade for any older vehicle. You're getting modern connectivity, voice control, high-quality dash and backup cameras, and seamless integration, all without changing a single thing in your car's original setup. If you've been looking for a cost-effective way to bring your ride into the smart era, this might just be the easiest and most practical solution out there. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want to see more hands-on reviews like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. Thanks for watching Product Critique. We'll see you in the next one.